How to blur your video background. So in this video today, we are going to be learning how to blur your video background to look exactly like the one you're seeing on the video. Okay, because some people have this complaint sometimes: I don't have a good background, that's why I'm not shooting content. My background is not fine, my background is this, so many excuses. Okay, so many of the AI tools we have today can actually help us to change our background to any background we want. But in case you don't want to, you want a more realistic look, you don't want to change, you don't want to change your background entirely, and you want to blur it, you still want to maintain that your background, but you just want to blur it, it shouldn't show too much, then I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to use InShot, which is 100% free. Okay, I know we have the paid version of InShot, but what we are going to be using in this video is the free version of InShot, which is going to blur your background, and just your face will be showing very brightly and your background will be blurred. Okay, so if this is the kind of video you are looking forward to, just watch till the end, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how to do this. And please don't skip this video, because if you skip, you might miss some important parts, and when you miss it out, you will not get the same results. Okay, so just watch till the end. I will try as much as possible to be fast so that this tutorial will not take your time. Okay, so just watch till the end and benefit from this video. Okay, so to blur your video background, like after adding your video to the CapCut app, if you don't know how to add it, then you just open the app, you click on the new button. Like when you want to start a new project, you select a video that you want to work on. Okay, then after selecting the video, it is going to come out like this. Then all you have to do is to tap on effects. Okay, this place that look, that star sign there, tap on effects. Then the first thing you're going to, the second option you're going to see after tapping on effect is AI effects. Okay, so after tapping on AI effects, you're going to see some names of the some effects that are here. We have line, clone, blink, glow, dizzy, doodle, magic, mood, emotion, celebrate, style, and you're going to see blur. Lastly, blur is the last option there, so you click on blur. So after clicking on blur, you see different blur effects that are under here. At the bottom part, you see different blur effects. So my favorite is this first one. Okay, so this particular blur effect. Okay, so all you have to do, if it's not blurring to your desired if like how you want it to look like, you can just increase the blur. After you blur it, as you can see, it's already blurred, the video is already blurred. So this is how to like blur your video background. Okay, this blur effect, you have to drag it from the beginning like till the end. Okay, so as you can see, the video is already blurred. Okay, so that, just take these easy steps to blur your video background. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Creative Susan's Corner. Okay, so you're most welcome. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Susan, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and please do well to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials like this.